Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss about packet tracer activity, configure and verify site-to-site IPsec VPN. So the theoretical part we discussed in the class in detail. So today I'm just going to quickly execute the command and I will show you the output here. Okay, so the scenario here in the network topology shows in in 3 routers. So your task is to configure router 1 and router 2. So you have router 1, router 2 and router 3, the OSPF, and it is pre-configured, and just we need to configure the site-to-site VPN between router 1 and router 3. So this is the policy parameter. The key distribution is ISAKMP, and encryption algorithm we will use AES, and these are the parameters we need to configure. And this is phase 1 policy and this is phase 2 policy. And let's go to jump to the practical now directly, and keep it as it is. Now we will go to the router 1 and keep it this way, and let me arrange the things now. So let me bypass exit. Okay, first of all, what we need to do, we need to enable the security technology package, because it is by default it is not enabled. So we need to enable the security package. Okay, security technological package, which is not enabled. So what we need to do, so we need to enable this one with the help of this command, license boot module C19 technology package security K9. So just execute, click yes and reboot. So this is a license module name C19 reboot level. Okay, so we need to reboot it, reload. Okay, reload, sorry, control Z, reload, control shift 6, control shift sorry, control shift 6, yeah. So reload, yes, confirm, yes. Now it is going to be reload. So we need to execute the same command in router 3. So we will directly go to the router 3 and we will execute the same command in router 3, because before going to run the policy 1, policy 2, IPsec policy 2, so we need to enable the license security technology package license. Okay, so here again we will go for license boot module C19 technology package, sorry, technology package security K9. So we need to do it just one more time. Yes, we are accepting. It's the right command to take the license boot take effect on the next boot. So we will write reload. Okay, proceed, yes. Now it is going to reload. So for here exit and show version, and we can see the technology package license is activated. You can see the security K9 evaluation. So now we have this, it is enabled now. Security technology package has been enabled now. Now what we need to do, so first of all, so before going to configure this VPN, IPsec VPN, so you need to follow the 5 steps. If you know these 5 steps, you can easily configure the VPN. The first step is you need to configure the ACL to define the interesting traffic. The first step, the steps. Now these steps you need to follow first. Okay, so I'm going to write steps. So the first step is configure ACL to define the interested traffic to encrypt. So first you need to write the ACL encrypt, ENCRYPT encrypt. Okay, so first step you need to follow this one. So you need to define the interested traffic, so which you want to encrypt by using ACL. The second step is you need to write phase 1 policy, ISAKMP phase 1 policy. ISAKMP policy mean phase 1 policy. We can say phase 1 policy. Phase 1 policy. This is the second step you need to do. The third step is your IPsec transform set. IPsec transform set. This is phase 2. This is your phase 2. Okay, so you need to follow these 5 steps and it will be easy for you to configure the VPN. The fourth step is crypto map. CRYPTO, crypto. This is fourth step. Step number 4, you need to follow this one, crypto map. So crypto map. So crypto map is basically used to tie together phase 1 and phase 2 policy. Okay, so we will tie together phase 1 and phase 2 policy, and at the end, the last step, we need to apply this policy on the WAN interface of the router. So we will apply this policy to WAN interface. Okay, so these are the 5 steps you have to follow in order to configure the VPN, IPsec VPN, site-to-site VPN. Okay, so let's start our first step to define the interesting traffic. In this one, our interesting traffic is we need to encrypt this traffic, this part of the just let me select this one, and now it will be easy for you. So we need to encrypt this traffic. Okay, so how we can encrypt this traffic? First we need to define our interested traffic. So this is our interested traffic, we will encrypt this traffic. Okay, and this is our destination. So first in router 1, this is our interested traffic. So how we can write the ACL? Just write access list. So access list the number, let's say we will give 110, access list number 110, permit IP, the full IP we are going to allow here. Just let me keep this one here so you can check. IP, so our interested traffic is 1.0, so 192.168.192.168.1.0 network, and destination network is, sorry, first also write the wildcard mask 0.0.0.0.0.0.255, and our destination network is this one, 192.168.3.3. so this is our destination network. So 192.168.3.0. So this is our destination network, and wildcard mask 0.0.0.0.255. Okay, now done. So we have done the first part, which is we have defined the interested traffic. So this interested traffic we will encrypt. Okay, so we will only encrypt this network traffic, 1.0 network traffic. Now the second part is, so we need to configure IKA phase 1 ISAKMP policy 1 on router 1. So how we can configure the crypto ISAKMP policy 10 properties, as we have seen in the table. So we need to define the crypto ISAKMP policy. So here crypto ISAKMP policy number is 10, so it is given in the table, and then we need to encrypt encryption algorithm. Which encryption algorithm we need to use? So you have a different option to use any of the encryption algorithm, just take the help. So in this activity we will use AES encryption algorithm, AES. Okay, and authentication we will use on packet tracer we have only pre-shared key, so we will use pre-shared key, and group, so we can use 1, 2 and 5, so the highest one is the 5, so we use group 5, and then exit. After that we need what we need? So we need the key. So here we will define the key, the crypto ISAKMP key. So in the key in the table it is given this key, so we will use this key, which is VPN. This is the key. Okay, so we will use this key. So VPN PA55, it is given in the table, so we will use this key, VPN PA55, and address, the peer address. So the address here is 10.2.2.2, so this one, the IP address of this interface, 10.2.2.2. so this is the IP address of, so peer 10 dot, so now you can see here 10.2.2.2, 10.2.2. sorry, 2.2.2. okay, so this is the IP address. So now we have configured phase 1 policy. Now we need to configure ISAKMP phase 2 policy. So first of all we need to create the transform set, VPN set as a name we will give VPN set, and we will use ESP, ES and ESP SHA HMAC algorithm. Now phase 2 policy is IPsec phase 2 policy. Okay, IPsec transform set phase 2 policy we are going to configure. So how to do it? So here you can write crypto IPsec transform set. Okay, the transform set, the name is VPN set. Okay, so this VPN set, it is already given here, VPN set, you can see here, this is the name. So we will give the same name here, VPN set, and ESP, as I told you, so it is already given. Just 1 minute. ESP, this is the algorithm we need to use, ESP AES. Okay, ESP AES, and then we need ESP SHAW HMAC, ESP SHAW HMAC. So this one we need to use. Okay, so this is your phase 2 policy. Now we have configured IPsec phase 2 policy. Now we need to create a crypto map. So we need to give the name as a VPN map that will bind the phase 1 and phase 2 parameter together, and the same sequence number we will use, sequence number 10, which we have defined in our phase 1 policy, and it will identify it as a ISAKMP map. Now how we can do it? So here crypto map VPN map. So this is the name here, crypto map VPN map. Let me copy this name and paste it here, crypto map VPN map, and 10, this is the sequence number 10. So IPsec ISAKMP. Okay, we are tying together phase 1 and phase 2 parameter. So just ignore this note. Now you need to write a description. Here description you can say here, this VPN connection is for router 3. So here you can see the VPN connection is going to router 3. You can write description is this the VPN connection to router 3. So you can write this description. This is not important. Set peer. So set peer. So this is our peer address. Okay, 10.2.2.2. So this is the our peer 10.2.2.2. So this is our peer address. Now we need to write set transform set transform set, and this is our VPN set, the name of our phase 2 policy, VPN set. And now here the match our access list number 1110. This is our access list. So match address 110. Okay, now exit. So now we have configured phase 1 policy, phase 2 policy, and we have tied together. Now we need to configure the crypto map on outgoing interface of this router, serial interface of the router. Okay, so what is the outgoing interface here? So we will go to the outgoing interface here, serial 000. Let me go to interface serial 000, and here we can apply this crypto map, VPN map. Okay, crypto map and this VPN map. So this is our now we have applied this crypto map to the outgoing serial interface of router 1. So now we finish all the configuration in router 1. Now we need to go to the router 3. So we need to do the same set of parameters here. So whatever the algorithm we used here, so we will use the same algorithm on router 3. So let's start here. Okay. So in this one, again, first we need to configure. What we need to do, we need to define the intrastate traffic here. So intrastate traffic is our access list, same 110, and permit IP. So our IP address is, so in this time our intrastate traffic is 192.168.3.0 network. Okay, 192.168.3.0 and 0.0.0.255, and our destination network 192.168.1.0, 0.0.0.255. Okay, now our intrastate traffic, we have defined this intrastate traffic which we are going to encrypt. Then we need to write the ISAKMP phase 1 policy. So ISAKMP phase 1 policy, crypto map policy, crypto ISAKMP crypto ISAKMP policy sequence number 10, and encryption algorithm we will use the same AES encryption algorithm, and authentication we will use a pre-shared key as we configured on the other router, and the group is 5. So we need to use the same configuration, exit and crypto map ISAKMP crypto ISAKMP key. So we will use the same key. Where is the key? This is the key. VPN map router, both router will use the same key. If you are not using the same key, so it will not make the tunnel. Okay, so we have to use the same key, and address this time is the IP address of this router 1 serial interface. Okay, so in this case the IP address of this one is 10.1.1.2. Okay, now we have done the phase 1 policy. Now we need to configure IKA phase 2 IPsec policy, okay, on this router 3. So to create a transform set, so we need to give the name, and we will use ESP AES or ESP SHA HMAC algorithm. So how we can do it? Crypto IPsec transform set, and here you can write the name of this transform set, VPN set, and ESP AES. This parameter is given in the HMAC ESP SHA HMAC. Yeah, so this one. And now this is your phase 2 policy. Now you need to create a crypto map, so you need to give the name as per the table, and that will bind all the phase 2 and phase 1 parameter together. So we will use the same sequence number, and let's start here with this command crypto map VPN map. This is the name, VPN map, sequence number is 10, and IPsec. So IPsec ISAKMP. Now we need to write the description. So because it is this VPN connection is for to router 1, VPN connection to router 1. Okay, done. Then you need to set the peer address. Set peer. So 10.1.1.2. so this is the peer address, the IP address of this serial interface of router 1. Now set transform set VPN set, the name is VPN set. Okay, and here the ACL which you configured earlier is 110, and exit. Now you need to configure the crypto map, this crypto map on the outgoing interface. So you need to bind this VPN map, crypto map, to the outgoing serial interface of your router 3. So first we need to go to the interface. So this serial interface of this router, okay, router 3. So interface serial 0/0/1, and here you can apply crypto map, and the name is VPN map. Okay, this is the name, VPN map. Okay, now you have configured this one, VPN map. Okay, now you need to verify this setting. So how you can verify the setting? First of all, you need to write this one, verify tunnel prior to intrusted traffic. So you need to write show crypto IPsec SA command. Now here first we can go to this one, and here you can show crypto IPsec SA. Now you can see here 0 packet encrypted, 0 this. So here this is the, now you need, first of all you can just write show run. Okay, in show run you can see you can verify the configuration on both router, okay, router 1 and router 3. So verify both setting. If any difference you will find in the configuration, so you need to show run. Now you can see here, now check the configuration, it should be same. Now here you can see the policy number, AES algorithm, authentication pre-shared key, group 5 ISAKMP key, VPN map address. This is your router 3, so address of router 1, and here address 10.2.2.2, crypto map transform set VPN set. So crypto map, sorry, here we define the key, key is okay. Crypto IPsec transform set VPN set, and let me make it more, let me adjust it. Crypto IPsec transform set VPN set. So the same algorithm we are using on both end. Crypto map VPN map, okay, then the connection 10.2.2.2, so here 10.1.1.2, set transform set VPN set, match address. So now we need to check, did we apply? Yes, on router 1 we apply on VPN map on the serial interface, and here we apply on the serial interface. Where it is? Okay, I think I forgot to apply here serial interface. So we need to apply here, you can see here. So we need to apply on this serial interface. I will just show you, and here always show. So here, okay, now this one serial 001, so we need to apply. You can see here we did not apply, so we will go to the serial 001 and we should apply this crypto map. Okay, so how you can apply it? Just write crypto map VPN map. Okay, so crypto map VPN map, error does not exist. So here let me check the name, crypto map VPN, yeah, so this is the name, sorry, crypto map VPN map, sorry, this is the name, so name should be same. Now it is on, now you can see it is on. So now we need to send the interesting traffic from here to here. Just we can ping to router 3, go to the desktop, now ping, so it will take some little bit time. Now meantime what we need to do, so we already verified the IPsec, and please make sure, so you should have the same setting. Now you can see here, now we generated some traffic, now you can see our ping, now it is working. Now we can check here, so now we need to verify that, so that it is going to encrypt our traffic or not. So what is the command to verify the tunnel? So just write show crypto IPsec SA security association. Now you can see here, so you need to define here, you can see encrypted 7 packet, decrypted 7 packet, you can see here. So now our VPN is working fine, and that's all for today. I hope it is informative for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and like the video, and if you need more video, please write in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you inshallah in next video.